Hey, what's up, YouTube? You know, it's your boy JB. You rocking with me, and I'm rocking with you. And I want to welcome you guys back to the channel, Stocks on the Go. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead, hit the subscription button, tap on the notification bell, and pound on the like button, guys. It really does help with the algorithm of this video. And also, guys, please do remember to take advantage of the Wealthsimple Trade link in the description, guys. Whereas when you sign up using my referral code, guys, you get 2 free stocks valued at $4,500, guys, just by depositing $1. Guys, you can't get that deal anywhere else. Guys, as you all know, the markets are down. It's blood in the streets. There's so much uncertainty out there. People are selling their stocks. People are giving up on trading. People are giving up on investing. Guys, I'm here to reassure you guys, this will all pass too. All right, guys?
That when others are fearful, you're going to get scared yourself. You know, you are not going to make a lot of money in securities over time in all probability. And people really, if they didn't look at quotations, but of course the whole world is urging them to look at quotations, and more than that, do something based on small changes in quotations. But if you didn't, think how much more rational, we've talked about it before, but think how much more rational investing in a farm is than the way many people buy stocks. I mean, if you buy a farm, do you get a quote next week? Do you get a quote next month? If you buy an apartment house, do you get a quote next week or month? No, you look at the apartment house or the farm and you say, I expected it to produce so many bushels of soybeans and corn, and if it does that, it meets my expectations. But they buy a stock and they think if it goes up, it's wonderful, and if it goes down, it's bad. We think just the opposite. When it goes down, we love it because we'll buy more, and if it goes up, it kills us to buy more.
So, guys, are you waiting for this market to make a full turnaround, to hit the bottom for you to start buying? Because one thing I can tell you, the volatility on the way up, a lot of you guys are going to get left out. So what I've seen in the market, I'm not by any means your financial advisor, but what I'm doing is I'm starting to dollar cost average my way into these big plays that I see on complete sale. All right, guys. So I've started dollar cost averaging my way, and I'm going to jump into a little video from CNBC, just so we can dive into what's really going on with the market, what the big guys think's going to go on, and it's an interview with Tom Lee. All right, guys, so we're going to get some information, and rest assured that this will put your mind at ease. All right, guys, but at the end of the day, we all have to make that decision when we decide to buy, when we decide to start dollar cost averaging our way into these plays. All right, guys, if you want to wait for the bottom, I can't, nobody can judge that. Nobody can tell when is the exact bottom. But what I do know is right now we're at least 50% down with a lot of these stocks, 30% down. The market's all the way down. So if I look 6 months down the line, where will my investments be? If I look a year down the line, where will my investments be? And that's how I want all you guys to start thinking. Okay, guys, so we're going to jump into that video from CNBC, and let's hear what Tom Lee has to say.
So did we bottom yesterday? What are we supposed to do as investors now?
Well, as you know, when sell-offs start, you never know when they're going to finish. But we've already seen such a big reset that I think unless someone thinks the economy's turned and the bull market is peaking, and that's not our view, right? These are great entry points for people because you've got so many stocks down, and yesterday had the feel of get me out of everything, which has been part of this buyer strike. So, yeah, so the bottom line, Scott, is I think people have to look at this as a really attractive opportunity in 2022.
You know, I'm pulling from a note that you guys had, and I think it was from your technical strategist, Newton. Retests look likely.
Yep, Newton.
Mark Newton. So, I mean, you're saying it's a buying opportunity, but some of your people, at least, are thinking that we're going to have retests, right? That this today is likely not the only one. I want to be clear on exactly, as we're telling people now's a buying opportunity, that it still could be turbulent moving forward.
That's right, Scott. Mark, for anyone who wants to use technical and buy entries, which is what Mark's trying to provide insights for, and someone who wants to find a tactical low, when you hit the bottom and everything from there, the selling is completed. According to Mark's work, we're not there yet. But for someone who's thinking about where the market is 6 months, 12 months from now, and that's really how active managers have to manage, right? Because they're not trying to necessarily catch the bottom, but they're trying to find good entry points. We're already down 10%, and many stocks are down more than 20%. And you've already seen it in the VIX spike, and we've seen it in the inversion of the VIX curve, and the percentage of stocks above the 200 is now around 50%. I mean, these are levels associated with an extremely oversold market. So to me, the one thing people have to remember is if they are participating in this buyer strike, the recovery can be violent. And then they're going to miss, potentially over 3 days, 5, 6, 7% gains. So I think to me, that's why I would say for those tactically minded, 6 months out, this is a great entry point.
So there you have it, guys. That's what Tom Lee thinks. And I think so too. I really do think that it is a great buying point. It is a great entry point into stocks that we have been wanting to get in for a long while. This is, I will not stop saying it, the greatest transfer of wealth. Guys, it gives us, the regular retail investor, a chance to get in these stocks at a great price. All right, guys. So if you want to make some quick cash, also you can check out the link in the description. I do have a sign-up link for Wealthsimple Trade, whereas you get 2 free stocks when you use my referral code. Also with Wealthsimple Cash, you do get $10 instantly using my referral code. And if you would like to sign up with crypto.com, you can also use my referral code and you will get 25 USD in Crowcoin once you stake for the Ruby Red card. All right, guys. So there we have it.